Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically download new audiobooks in your library on Audible. And if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. Basically, I'm on the Audible app for iPhone, but it's the exact same for Android. Go down to the bottom right, the profile section, and then up on the top right, there's the gear icon. Click in there. And what you want to do is go to the first setting, data and storage, and then scroll down until you find auto download, and it says automatically download titles added to your library. And you can see that the toggle on the right hand side is on the left side of the toggle. It's slightly grayed out, but if you switch it on, it turns green and the toggle goes to the right hand side. That's when you know it is toggled on. So basically from here on Audible, if you actually purchase a new audiobook or a podcast or anything that goes into your library, it will automatically download onto your devices that you have set up for Audible. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.